Contempt of Court and Election Delay, Rajasthan. Welcome to EduRev. Today's topic is about an important issue involving elections, courts, and constitutional accountability. The Rajasthan High Court has issued a notice to the State Election Commission. Why? Because elections for panchayats and urban local bodies were not conducted within the timelines set by the court. The court had clearly directed that elections must be completed by April 15th. However, the election schedule released by the Commission shows that even the final voter list will come after this date. So the question arises, if the voter list is delayed, how can elections happen on time? This is where the concept of contempt of court comes into play. Contempt of court simply means disobedience of a court's order or actions that undermine the authority of the judiciary. There are two types: civil contempt, when an order is not followed; criminal contempt, when the authority of the court is challenged. In this case, the issue is mainly about civil contempt. Now let's connect this with the Constitution. Under Article 243K, the State Election Commission is responsible for conducting local body elections. But independence does not mean ignoring judicial directions. This case highlights a key principle. No authority is above the Constitution, not even an independent body. For UPSC, remember this as an example of judiciary versus executive accountability and the strength of constitutional governance. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.